gon' do this my way. I'm running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who stood by you.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing an hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. This video is sponsored by LUVME Hair, and this is their amazing packaging, guys. So let's see what is inside. First we got the hair, then a note that says enjoy your hair journey from now on. Next we have a stocking cap or a wig cap. Now we're getting on to all these free goodies, guys, and I inserted pictures of all the free goodies, guys, but I'll show you what is included.
Ain't no chick for you like I did, so you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly. I ain't got time, I ain't got patience, but you gon' stop spreading those false news. Tell your little girl to calm down too, cause I want you.
This is their flaming orange finger wave pixie cut short wig, and it is 100% human hair. The length is 3 inches. The cap size is 22.5. The cap has 2 combs at the front on either side, a comb at the back, and the adjustable strap at the back. I'll go right ahead and put the wig on, and it is a little snug on my head, guys, but you know I have a big head, so you gotta see with it. And as I said before, the cap size is 22.5, which is a standard medium cap. So if you have a medium size head, guys, this would be no problem for you. I'll give you a 360 of the hair so you guys can see how it looks straight from the back. Okay guys, let's get to work and style these units. First I had some mousse to the unit to try to get the finger wave back into place.
Always dead. They don't capture what you mean. You gave me.
Now I'll use the comb and comb the wave a little. Not too much, guys, just a little.
All my love tells you rest forever. You were my angel in life. I didn't know angels could die. I hear your voice call in the night. You tell my heart you're alive.
These waves are so stubborn, guys. I gotta go in with a little more mousse.
The sky. So stand in line with all the angels tonight.
I'll use this clip to hold the waves in place.
Even now you're leaving me. Dreams and memories are fading, but I know you won't.
And I'll do the same with this side.
I hold to what we created. All wants you to be.
I am tying my hair so I can add some heat to the hair.
You were my angel in life.
Now it's time to take the blow dryer and dry the hair.
I hear your voice call in the night. You tell my heart you're alive.
Now that the hair is fully dried, time to style the hair. I am adding some concealer to the parting space, which guys, you see there was no parting space. I'm just making an illusion parting space. I don't know if it will work, but I'm just trying something. I'm using the mascara to create a ombre effect by darkening the root of the hair. Let's see if it works, guys.
Surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. You're dancing, you're laughing. Surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. No crying, no dying. Surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. You're dancing, you're laughing.
When you're finished, you remove the excess mascara from the hair, so when you run your finger through the hair, there's no spot. I'm taking the wide tooth comb and comb the waves out so I can add some volume to the hair. And guys, this is optional. When you're styling your hair, you gotta take into consideration your facial feature and style the hair to suit you, not to suit the model or someone else. I am going in with a 24-hour holding spray to spray the top because I want this to have extra volume, guys. Yes!
I didn't know angels could die. I hear your voice call in the night. You tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a reason to light the sky.
The link to the hair will be in the description down below. You can use my code KK20 and get 20% off the unit. This is my thoughts of the unit. There should be a parting space. This unit is too gorgeous not to have a parting space, and the cap size could be a little bigger,
This is for my
but
babies.
it can work, guys, if you have a medium-sized head. I experienced no shedding from the unit. It is a easy throw and go unit. All you gotta do is add some mousse to the unit to put the waves back in place. Let me know what you think of this unit in the description down below, guys. And if you enjoyed this video, leave your girl a thumbs up and share this video. Until next time, bye!